Hello, my name is Baha. Today I will share with you the fast way you can share your affiliate product in Pinterest or in TikTok or Instagram. The fast way to create unique design for you. First, you can go to Loopara.app, and sign in or sign up. Okay, let's connect it. Okay, let's connect it with our speed count. Okay, and I will today we will share about iPhone. Okay, today will be let's continue with iPhone. Today will launch 70. I don't think it will be here, but let's work with here. For example, this one. Okay, or we can affiliate with this link. Let's get our link to share. Let's take for example. Okay, here I will go here to our Loopara, create new app. Here you can get this is all template in one click. Okay, one click will have all these templates. But let's now work with, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's unselect it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will do 5 posts now with this design. Okay. And here, let's go here to get thing like, for example, let's open um here. I will do trend with work. Welcome for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Pro Max. Okay, this is design. Here will be good. And here, um, order now. But this order now, I think this is will be at call to action. Okay. For example, this is will be order now here. Okay. You can do this order now. I think let's remove this. I think this is good. And maybe this is very good also. It's good. Three. It's almost three. You can select what you want. Okay. Let's order now. Alcohol. No, it's not description. It's here. New Apple iPhone. You can work with ChatGPT also for this. He can call with you. Um, write small description for iPhone 70. Okay. Maybe mm, new features. I think I will take this is only and go here and edit. I think it's good. Okay. And here we will download iPhone 17 image. This is mockup image. It's still now not launched, but we can. I think this is one. It's very good. You can will do CBS. Let's go here, and you can upload it. Okay, we'll take it's very good design. Okay, we can add. Let's add other one. It's very good. Welcome to. It's very exact. It's amazing. Okay, and now it's good. Welcome iPhone Smart 2. Let's. It's. I think this is good. Right. iPhone 17, 70 Pro Max. Okay. Let's do experts will export for in 1 second. It's processing. Allow. It's saved. Okay, I now have 4 unique design. If we go here, I have in very high quality in 2 minutes. Okay, now let's go our Pinterest, and also here I can go TikTok. Okay, let's go here and create bin, and only I will copy and paste. So now we'll do here Pinterest. Okay, it's very amazing design for here. We can go to first thing we copy our. Let's go here. What is ChatGPT? Or our let's get here iPhone 70. Okay, and here I can get this link and copy and go here. I will add it to all to affiliate link. Okay, and also I can I think where is this one? Right, for titles and description for Pinterest to sell iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max. It will be, I will write it and I will copy paste. Okay. I will go to here and I will copy first one, its title and description. We also can add some tags, iPhone 17, iPhone 7 Pro, and things like this. Okay. And here I will create one board iPhone, iPhone 70, and click. And now publish first. Okay. It's published. Other one. It's very unique design for each one. Let's add this to all. Yes, let's make okay. And also here will be iPhone 17 and published. Third one, you can schedule this, don't do in one time. iPhone 17 published. List one. With 2 minutes, we can have a lot of. Okay, it's done. It's done all. If we go here, we'll find our bins. It's very good. It's very appeal. If you open it, it's very thick. It's very good thing. Okay, you can test with Loopara today, and we'll have a lot of design, a lot of styles. One click, you get more. Okay, we'll find the links in description. See you in next. Goodbye.